Hello again. Yeah, because no light just now. Okay, there is this latest bites and groceries. Okay, using the Mayabili Simple voucher. Who's Mayabili Simple? Okay, the retirement. Okay, there's a blender because our blender already no more spoiled already, and then one is sold. Okay, and we are on no more. Yeah, sold already from Singapore to Philippines. Okay, then Philippines din sold. Hindi nagagamit kasi. Philips yung brand dati. Okay, and then this one is a cheaper brand, okay? Just something for blends, a drink. Okay. This one fruit juices, yeah, to blend. Yeah. I bought a new hair dryer using the Habit Listen Point voucher. Okay, CDC from this government. Then I bought a king size again, another bed sheet for uh, king size, okay? So, and then there's the little groceries here using this voucher. We have some fish, what's the fish bin, curd roll, okay? And this Chinese, okay? Taro and the ham, bacon, honey bacon, okay? Go to June 11, 2026. 11, June 11, 2026. I have more cake, okay? I have some chocolate cake here, rolls, and pastries, okay? And this croissant, okay? Mini croissant. And another pastries here. Triangle, okay? Fruits, mango, okay? Yes, and the banana cake, okay? If you like craving for a cake, okay? Enjoy, folks. At yung Blackford, Dobro, Papa Singapore. This little grocery, use my happy voucher. Okay, CDC voucher from the government. Okay, like I said, about a bed sheet, king size, blender, and my hair dryer. Okay, there's a leasing for their time. Okay, that's for tonight. Latest little groceries. Enjoy, folks. Singapore, June 11, 2026.